Hello dear students, good morning. This is Harindra Tiwari, your chemistry educator from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. You are most welcome to my video class. Here in this video I am going to solve some problems which are based on Z and A concept. What is the meaning of Z is here. Z we denote, as you know, atomic number, and A is the designation of mass number. The chapter structure of the atom, class 9th standard chemistry. As we know that atomic number Z is equal to number of protons and mass number A is equal to sum of the number of protons and neutrons. So we can write number of protons plus number of neutrons. So we will solve some numerical problems based on this concept by using these two formulas and this relation. Atomic number with the number of protons and mass number of protons plus number of neutrons. Can we write mass number is equal to atomic number plus number of neutrons? Of course. So you keep this formula in your mind and let's start the problem. The first problem here, problem 1. A brief information about two atoms, atom X, atomic number 7 and mass number 15. Atom Y, atomic number 8 and mass number 16. Answer the following questions. Find the number of protons and neutrons in X and Y. Both atoms are same. This is a one statement. Is it correct or wrong? Is above statement true or false? Justify your answer. So first of all, let us determine the number of protons and neutrons in X and Y atom. Solution. Given what? Atom X, atomic number 7 and mass number 15. So atomic number 7, mass number 15. So number of protons in X is equal to atomic number of X. Clear? Atomic number is equal to number of protons. So atomic number 7. Correct? Now mass number 15. Neutron, asking the number of neutron. Number of neutrons in X. In X is equal to, now see, mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutron. Mass number given. Mass number of X is equal to 15. Clear? And number of protons given. Number of protons in X is equal to 7 we have calculated. Clear? Now, as we know that, mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. तो mass number 15 is equal to number of protons 7 plus number of neutrons. So we can write here number of neutrons is equal to 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. So now we got that X, let me write here, number of protons and number of neutrons in X. Number of proton 7, mass number 15, and number of neutron, here I write that 8. What about Y? So let us find for the Y. So now see, number of protons in Y is equal to atomic number of Y. Number of protons, तो atomic number 8, तो number of protons will be 8. Number of neutrons in Y, need to calculate mass number of Y given 16, right here 16. Clear? Number of protons, so how many number of protons we have calculated it. Now mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. Mass number 16 and number of protons 8 plus number of neutrons 16 minus 8, so 8. So we got the number of neutrons Y is also 8. Clear? 8 and 16, and here that 7 and 15. Now both atoms are same. Now second, both atoms are same. So atom X 7, 15, Y 8, 16. Number of protons 7 and number of protons 8. Number of protons same and number of proton 8. Since the number of protons are different in both atom, and as we know that number of proton is the characteristics property of an atom. If a group of atoms has the same number of protons, means all are same. If the group of atoms has the different number of protons, means all are different. So this statement, both atoms are same. This is false statement because two atoms are having different number of protons means because both atoms are having different number of protons, means both are belonging to different elements. We can write the explanation. This statement is false because both atoms are having different number of protons, means both are belonging to different elements, and different atoms of different elements may be different. Now problem number 2, arrange the following elements in increasing order of number of protons. Right, potassium, calcium, chlorine, zinc and scandium, these elements given. So for finding out the number of proton, we should know their atomic number. So atomic number, potassium atomic number is 19, calcium atomic number 20, chlorine atomic number 17, zinc atomic number 30, scandium atomic number 21. So let us calculate first the number of protons. As we know, atomic number Z is equal to number of protons, clear? Then number of protons in potassium is equal to 19, clear? Number of protons in calcium 20, number of protons in chlorine 17, clear? Number of protons in zinc 30 and number of protons in scandium 21, clear? So the first which element will come? Chlorine. Then after chlorine, calcium. Then after calcium, sorry, not calcium, potassium, 19. Means, see, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 and number 5. So 1 chlorine, then potassium, number 3 calcium, after calcium scandium and then zinc. So this is the increasing order of protons, clear? Now problem 3, the atomic number of element is 12. तो गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ एन एलिमेंट, एटॉमिक नंबर Z is equal to 12. This is a given information. Then mass number A is equal to 23. Find out the number of protons, number of neutrons and number of electrons. So as we know atomic number is equal to number of protons. So atomic number 12, then number of protons will be equal to 12. Clear? Since it is a neutral atom, right? Other information not given, so we will consider it is a neutral atom. So since in neutral atom number of protons is equal to number of electrons, so number of electrons will equal to 12. Clear? Now mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. Asking about the number of proton, number of neutron, number of electron, number of neutron. We have calculated number of proton, number of electrons, number of neutron. So number of neutron will equal to number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus number of protons, number of protons. So number of neutrons will equal mass number 23. Clear? Number of proton 12. So number of neutron will equal to 23 minus 12, 11. So 11 is the number of neutrons. Another, assign the atomic symbol. So now see, assign the atomic symbol. Number of proton 12. So 12 which element? Calcium. Or suppose that X, the atomic number of an element X. So atomic symbol X, 11 or 12. Sorry, 23. 23. So this is the atomic symbol of X. Clear? Now here we have another question. Calculate the number of protons and mass number of following given species. Assume all are having number of neutrons is equal to the number of protons. Means number of protons and number of neutrons both are same in each and every species. Right? Means if this species has the whatever the number of protons, the same number of neutrons it has. Assign their atomic symbol and assign their atomic symbol. So let us find out. Number of electron given. So number of electron X has 20. X2 minus has the number of electron 20. So first let us calculate the number of electrons in X. So since it is a X2 minus, means what it indicate? Number of electrons in X2 minus is 20. Solution. Since number of electrons in H2 minus is 20. since X2 minus is formed by the gain of 2 electrons. Clear? Therefore the number of electrons in X is equal to 20 minus 2 is equal to 18. So now we got the number of electron is 18 in neutral atom. Clear? The number of electron in X neutral atom 2018. See, as we know in neutral atom number of electron is equal to number of protons. So number of proton is equal to 18. So now number of proton we have calculated. Clear? Mass number is equal to number of proton plus number of neutron. So 18 plus 18, mass number we have calculated 36. So X, we got that atomic number 18 and mass number 36. So here we will assign the X 18 and 36. Clear? We can solve this problem in another way also. This is one method. Okay, calculate the X, calculate the number of electron in the neutral atom. Another way, another method I will tell. Let us see another method. Solution. This is anion. So for the anion, the number of protons in anion is equal to number of electrons in anion minus number of negative charge. Directly look at now the number of protons in anion is equal to number of electron in anion minus number of negative charge. So number of protons is equal to number of electrons 20 minus 2, number of protons will equal to 18. So this is another method. Through the formula we can solve, we can write the formula number of protons in anion is equal to number of electrons in anion minus number of negative charge. If negative charge given, then minus, do minus. If positive given, then do plus. For example, S. So number of protons, for example, given see number of protons in Y 4 plus. Clear? Number of electrons in anion.
All the class teachers of 9 to 12 have reminded us of the sheet which was given.
Number of protons in Y 4 plus. For that we can write disturbance only. Number of protons in Y 4 plus. So, number of electrons in cation plus number of positive charge.
All the subject which is
Because it is formed number of protons in Y4 plus, means how does it form? Y loses the 4 electrons, then it get convert Y4 plus. Clear? So we will add these 4 electrons to Y4 plus, we will get that number of protons. So number of protons in Y4 plus is equal to number of electron in cation given 17 or plus number of positive charge 4, then we get that 21 number of protons. So symbol will be Y for Y 21, and mass number is equal to number of proton plus number of neutron. So 21 plus 21, we will get that 42. Clear? Now the next. Now see about Z. So Z is a neutral atom, right? So in neutral atom, number of protons is equal to number of electrons. So number of protons in Z is equal to number of electrons 15. Mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. So we get that 15 protons, 15 plus 15, so this is 30. Atomic symbol for Z will be 1530. So now in this video I solved some basic problems which is based on that atomic number and mass number. How to calculate the find out the atomic number for the negative ions or for positive ions if the number of electrons given. Clear? So another question. So that's all for today. Wish you all the best. Thank you.